Bitcoin is on the verge of potentially pulling a massive move here. It is September 19th. It's Tuesday. It's 10:46 a.m. and this is the crypto market update. So last night or yesterday we had our pop up, or it was 2 days ago. Yesterday we had our little dip down. Today, this morning, we came back up to retest where we had tested yesterday, back up here, came back down, retested as support, and now we're firing back up. We are so close away for Bitcoin pulling a huge move. If it can break above 27,455, we could potentially see over 30K in the cards again. So this is going to be some good stuff here. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave it a like and a comment. We're going to cover the market, see where we're at and where we're headed. So first off, bond yields right now, we are just headed up here. We're watching the weekly chart as far as the TSI cross up and cross down, and we're still crossed up. So direction is up until we can see the momentum die down on the weekly chart for the bond yields. If we go to the stock market, we're having a little correction today. We go to the 3-day chart. We do have the momentum headed down here on the 3-day chart. As you can see, we're trying to cross in, but we couldn't, and now we're peeling back. So we do want to see on the 3-day chart this start to curl back in. And if we look at the 2-day, we can start to gauge if we're gonna or not. 2-day, we're starting to cross, we peeled back out. If we go to the 1-day, we cross, and now we're peeling back down. So if we do continue down lower, I want to see us hold from this low to this high up here, 14,788, ideally 15,000 flat. So that's what I'm watching for the stock market, and we ultimately need to get back above 15,650. If we look at the total crypto market cap, the total crypto market cap on the daily chart tested this 50 moving average yesterday and today. And really, if we can crack above there and then crack above the 786 at 1.071 trillion, that's where we could head up to the 200-day moving average at 110.5 trillion. And then even potentially, if we can break above there, the 1618 extension, 118 trillion here. And we're on the daily chart, and we're seeing the MACD rise, the TSI getting close to getting to that zero line here. And then we're seeing that the pink is crossing above the blue. We haven't seen those kiss in a while, since July. You know, they were kissing in the summer. Now they're kissing close to fall. But last time they kissed, we saw the blue going on top. And that's what started this whole downtrend. Now we're seeing the pink cross above the blue. And now we're getting above the 50 line. Last time we did this, that was back here in June, you know, so we're seeing a lot of similar signs to what we've been tracking, this similar fractal pattern playing out here like this, right? And we're at that stage that we're supposed to, you know, keep on firing up. So that's the total crypto market cap. And we were watching the 4-day chart. We're waiting for that 4-day buy now signal to come in. Let's see if we got it. So we do not yet have the 4-day buy signal, but ain't it funny? You know, right when this 4-day prepare to buy soon flash, we were banging the drum, and now we're starting to curl around. And as soon as we get that 4-day buy now, it's on. But the 3-day chart, we still haven't got it yet, but we broke back above the 786 with confidence. Then if we go to the 2-day chart, we got the 2-day buy now. So we got the 2-day buy now, and we had the 1-day buy now. And the 12-hour had 2 buy now. Oh, one right here, and then I feel like there was one over here. Yep, right there. So that 3-day buy now that comes in is going to be the one that pulls us up and gives the 4-day that confidence that, all right, it can flash that blue. So that's where we're at as far as that goes, and it's looking pretty promising here. So on the 4-day chart, we're crossing up, and on the 3-day chart, we could see this in 2 days and 10 hours. We're likely going to get that vertical blue buy now signal because we're seeing that momentum cross up. And we just need to hold where we're at the very least, by Thursday this week. So very good news there. So if we look at the altcoin market cap, do you hear that? Because the altcoin market cap is knocking on the trend line resistance back from November 2021. We see rejection back here in July. And now this is where we're at. We're right at it. And we have this horizontal support like this. So yeah, we're at a critical juncture here. And the signs are starting to show that, hey, we're going to pop. I don't think we're going to see a crash. So we have that trend line resistance coming down. I can pull it even closer. So we had this one of rejection. We broke above that one, but then there was the one that stretches all the way back to 2021. And that is around 333 billion. If we can break above 333 billion, we're breaking above long-term trend resistance line, and we could fire up to 350 billion. And at that point, if we break above 350 billion, it's game on. We're going to see the alt season fire off. So that's what I'm seeing there. We got the 1 day buy now. And then if we look at the 2 day chart, we do have, no, we didn't have a signal there. But yeah, massive moves going on. So that's the altcoin market cap looking very nice. And then that 2 day TSI and MACD's crossing up, just like the past time here in June when we had our market bounce. All the same similar things are happening here. So if we look at the dollar, we're at 105.044. And you can see that we're starting to lose that momentum. You look at the stock RSI, we're crossing down. You look at the TSI, we did like a triple top here. 1, 2, 3, bang, ready to roll over. MACD curling in down. It's foretelling what's about to happen here. If we look at the pink, it's coming down hot. And as soon as we get below that 50 line, every single time, below the 50 line, downtrend in the dollar. Below that 50 line, downtrend in the dollar. Oh, even popped above here, came back down, downtrend in the dollar, right? We're right at it. We're right at it. So one little press down below 105 and we close a daily candle below it, it's very likely that it will be set in stone. And we have that MACD red right now as we speak. So this is all looking great. And then if we grab this trend line like this, we're at it right now. We're at it right now. So we had that support. We broke down, broke back up, support. Getting below 105 will be great, but really getting below 104.50 would be better. And then ultimately below 103, nail is in the coffin. So let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now, it needs to get above 27,460, and it really needs to hold 26,750. We need to maintain on this trend line of support, this 21 moving average on the 4-hour chart. When we popped up here from that kind of fake breakdown to break back up, we held support. So the new level, 26,750 is a must hold, and we need to get above 27,455. So you can set your alerts here. If we look at the 12-hour chart, we do have that momentum still crossing up. We do have the stock RSI coming down. I want to see a strong move out of Bitcoin today to really have us not like just lag here. But we have the pink crossing above the 50 line and the blue crossing down. Last time we seen that was June at this phase right here. And that's what, it looks very similar as to, we're at this spot right here, right before we're supposed to fire up. So this says it would bring us to that 1618 breakout extension at 30,500. And if it does, man, we're going to see an altcoin rip across the board. And on the 1 day chart, we're waiting for that TSI to cross above the 0 line, and we're poking our neck up. We're ready to rock it. So very, very promising signs right now. If we can have some good momentum by the end of today and then follow through tomorrow, we're going to have a good rest of this month, it looks like. So that's Bitcoin right here. And then XRP, it has the 3 day prepare to buy soons. It has, let's see if we got the 4 yet. No 4 day yet. But it has the 3 day prepare to buy soons. And it's on the 200 moving average, which acted as resistance to support. And then 2 day chart, we have the buy now, I believe. Nope, no buy now, but we're getting real close. We have that TSI curling in hot. Every single time it curls in hot, you can see. Curls in hot, bang, we go. 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 Even on the upside, curls down hot, bang, down we go. Curls down hot, bang, down we go. Curls down hot, bang, down we go. So, looking very good. MACD curling in is ready to flip green. TSI is about to cross, bang, there we go. And then we got the blue and the pink. Blue needs to come down, pink's coming up. Stock RSI is through the 50 line too, just like every other time. And we're holding on that 200-day moving average. Man, this opportunity, I'm drooling right now. Drooling. The opportunity is right on the horizon here. And if we can get XRP back above 0.5150, which would be the 200-day moving average, then we're going to fire up to that 50 moving average coming down hot, which is 55 cents, which is coinciding with this resistance right here, the critical resistance for over a year now. Resistance. When we fired up above it, bang, we went. So first level, XRP, 0.5150. Second level, 0.55. And where should we must hold? 0.50. We got a whole 0.50. So that's what I'm seeing there. And then if you look at the 1 day chart, TSI is ready to go hot. You know, and we like triple bottomed here, bang, we went, and that's usually what happens, right? So we're gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna leave it at that. Every other altcoin looks great. Altcoin to watch for the day for day trades is going to be Chainlink. Chainlink's going to fire up. It looks hot and ready to go. You've seen it kind of for the past year now just be sideways, right? But we held this fib overlap zone, the 786, held as support. We broke above the 786 here to the upside, and we already reached the 1618 extension target. Next targets are $7.85 to over $8, potentially even $9. I think that's where we're going to go. And that's 3 day, 200 day moving average coming down. We broke above the 50 day moving average. We're at like the middle point like back here. If I put on a line chart, you can see this has just been our middle point. So breaking above here, likely we're going to come up to here, and that would be a great day trade. And the 3 day chart, TSI crossing up, MACD flipping green, and the pinks ready to get above the blue, just like past time. So I think we're in the middle of the move. This will be a good one to watch for a day trade, especially with the Swift conference going on this week. And they've worked a lot with Swift on interoperability with tokenization of assets. So you're likely going to see some good momentum out of Chainlink this week. So that's the one to watch for day trades. And we're going to leave it at that, guys. Look at the daily chart too. Fucking firing up. Oh, shit, my bad. But yeah, so that's going to be it, guys. That's the video. Join the Discord, link is in the bio. And if you want to get access to VIP, you want access to these signals, you want access to this educational content to teach you how to trade like this and analyze the charts, and access to the Stargate signals, and access to all our other indicators, plus our brand new launch trading bots, Stargate, the automated experience, then join the Discord, link is in the bio. Friend request Rob at Stargate. I'll get you kitted and suited up. And you definitely want to do it now before things get rocking and rolling here. So I will see you guys in the Discord. You want VIP? I'll serve you. Come to the Discord. Link is in the bio. Rob at Stargate. Friend request me, and let's get it. So I will see you guys in there and in the next video.